Alright guys, it is 8 o'clock on a Friday night, and I just got home from work, showered, got all my stuff together, and we are heading to Dallas for Urban Drift. So hang tight. It's gonna be a late drive. It's about 4 hours, but we'll probably get there around like 2. But let's get to it.
Later that day.
All right, we are here at the hotel. Once we get up into the room, we'll get settled. I'll show you the gear that I brought here, my little rig setup, and then we'll map out how far Urban Drift is from our hotel, that we know, how far to plan for tomorrow. Yeah, we're here. We made pretty good time. We left at 8 on the dot. We got gas. So we didn't officially hit the road until 8:30. So 4 hours. That's not too bad. I was expecting 5, so this is actually pretty good. Never done this before, so I don't know what the protocol is. I don't know if I gotta show up early or what, but we're gonna be ready for anything. So yeah, let's get checked in, let's get upstairs, and we'll go from there, right? That was right. Yeah, it's a 30-minute drive. Yeah, there's like 50 different options to get there. We could take the 28-minute route or the 43-minute route. Yeah. If you're trying to get scenic. That thing sounds mean for a Mini. Not a Mini freaking Cooper. It sounds gnarly. Cold chai tea latte?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Look good.
Me too.
Thanks. Yeah. So, the red button on top, it's recording now. So if the screen is on or if anything is blinking, there's a little red light right there. And then it's recording.
There we go. R.I.P. BMW.
I know. Rest in pieces.
Literally. It's cool. There now.
It's nice that I've learned a lot more about how the settings on this camera work. It only took 4 videos messing up various things.
Yeah.
I feel like
Why is it always windy when there's a car show?
I don't know. I mean, I guess considering it's 80 degrees, it's kind of nice, but...
Yeah.
Guys.
gotta change some batteries out.
A few minutes later.
At the next one in Houston, we'll bring my car. Oh, it can be part of Roofbox game. Yeah, because both have roof boxes.
Yeah. Just find someone who can drive it.
I'm sure you.
Who would want to.
Yeah. I guess that means I have to drive it.
Yeah.
Because it's your favorite car, so you'll obviously leave it for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Miata is your favorite.
Alright, sounds good.
Probably.
I like the sparkle.
Yeah. Pretty sure I've seen this one a couple times.
Yeah, they're always
At the other clean cultures. Yeah, I'm sensing that you like sparkles.
There's a yellow.
There is one?
It's like black and yellow.
Black and yellow, black and yellow. Hey, look, it's the Reg Miata. It's the one that's always at, I've filmed him like 3 times. Yeah. It's because you just can't go wrong with the roof box. Nothing. That's a lot of purple.
It's cute.
See, he had a roof box, but he took it off.
This is sparkly too. This is sparkly too. It's that black, the yellow one back there.
We'll come back. That is good, actually. I've recorded this one too. So the problem is the golf seats are already really nice and like they feel like racing seats. So it's like I want bucket seats, but the ones in the car are already too comfortable to get rid of. Yeah, and they're heated for the 3 days a year it gets cold. How's it going?
Just going. How are y'all?
Good. Oh, that's funny.
The back is say, but this is where your man card used to be.
Hey, yo.
Love that.
Oh, yeah, I think they're.
I have that one already, but that's the white one, the check engine game.
Y'all trying to sell the Heritage wheels?
Say what?
Y'all are trying to sell those?
No, I think he's using them today.
Yeah, the guy in the white one.
Of the shirts, right?
Sure.
And what size? Extra large?
I don't know where they're at, but all of them are.
Someone who can't handle planes myself. How was it for like 10 hours?
18. Honestly, man, it was just boring.
Really?
You kind of get over it at some point, and you're just like, okay, you just start watching a bunch of crappy movies and stuff.
Okay.
It honestly is not bad, yeah.
We flew to Denver, and I told her, I was like, no, I'm gonna get off this plane, I'm gonna buy a rental car, and I'm gonna drive for the next 2 hours. I can't do this. She's like,
Yeah.
You can do it, you can do it. I refuse, but
You just mental obstacle is you gotta get over, and I think like the way there on like hour 4, I was like, I'm here, so
that's fair.
it is what it is. I gotta be comfortable now, yeah.
Well, you take any.
Or, you do take cars.
San Antonio. They're like.
So are we.
But,
oh,
are you?
Yeah, that's
oh,
why,
shit.
That's why we know them.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's a long drive.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. But
Yeah, they're doing an event tomorrow, I think, in San Antonio or Houston. They're doing something
I
tomorrow.
hope it's not San Antonio tomorrow.
It's tomorrow. It's either in San Antonio or Houston. March 5th.
I'm gonna have to check. Oh, it's April.
No,
it is. Yeah, it's April 8th, I thought.
Hold on. Oh, yeah. April 8th. Yeah.
So that's what
April
they're doing?
8th.
Okay.
Yeah. Low class, whatever the fuck. Yeah. They're gonna be at Coda. We'll be at Coda with us.
For that drift event?
Coda is next week.
Oh, okay.
It's in Austin. Sorry.
Yeah,
Oh, was that me?
It's like a drift track
It's super
event.
lap. It's a super lap battle with grid life and everything like
Gotcha.
that. Yeah. But it's a car show, and they also have like grid life, time attack, and everything going on as well.
Y'all are gonna be out there too?
Yeah, next week.
Okay, well,
Yeah,
cool.
That'll be in Austin.
Well, that's a lot closer. I'll definitely make that
yeah,
trip.
for sure.